man in charge. This is the best compound I've ever seen. Look at him. Officer, when you're in barrack, are you eating this kind of food? I'll come to my house after you're eating.
You see my problem with you? This is the reason I don't like you. You talk too much. Come on, table manners. You don't talk while eating. Just keep calm. Eat your food first.
The reason I'm happy is that my Oga and Madam are living in peace in this compound. So this kind of food will be coming my way. That's
your business.
Go na police because they employed you in my Oga's house. Everything you know in a case. Enjoy yourself. Look at you. If you don't want to drop the meal, let me get up here. I'm not answering because I'm the yard.
I will need to take her to the hospital. Because from my observations here, she needs to be under our care for a while to enable us run some checks on her until her condition is stable.
Okay.
But doctor, you mean you cannot treat her here? It's just common malaria and kete.
You see, I'm afraid that's not true. What you see as a small ailment is actually a bigger symptom for a big ailment. So, we must take her to the hospital.
It's alright. What do you have now?
Doctor, you must understand this is my mother-in-law. And money is not the problem, okay?
Okay, sir.
So I need her to get back to her good health.
Okay.
All right?
Definitely.
Do everything medically possible that's happening.
Definitely, I will do my best.
Okay.
I'll do my best.
All right.
All right, so in that case, I have to run along. I have a few patients wait for me.
Thank you.
All right.
I'll bring her personally to your hospital tomorrow.
Okay?
All right.
So in that case, I have to run along.
Let me see you.
Hi. Oh God, damn.
Doctor.
Thank you.
How family?
Oh, the doctor has left already.
Oh, yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What did the doctor say?
That I will have to come to the hospital.
Oh. Let me take you inside. You need to rest, okay?
No, let me stay small here.
Mama, what are you doing here?
Mama, you have seen AC. You don't want to go inside. Go inside, though.
Mama, let's...
But you're on TV or on the television. And then
you're sure you're fine here?
Very well.
Right, so I can do.
What is wrong with you?
See, that's the only thing you know, food.
Oga landlord, please now. Okay, Oga landlord, see here. Let me look for money and pay your money. Oga landlord, please now.
Please, if I see you here again, I will call combined forces on you.
Oga landlord, I'm like a son to you.
Will you shut up? Who is like a son to who? Oh, you are like a son to me and you were threatening to post me and publish me on social media.
I'm sorry, sorry, sir. Please, sir.
Listen to me. If I have a son like you, I will willingly hang myself and then choose to go to hellfire.
Hey, Oga landlord, now.
Officer,
please, now, please.
Take this man out of this place. As for his property inside this place, until he finishes paying, that is when he will pick his property.
Oga landlord, please.
I don't want to see you here.
Please, now, Oga landlord.
I said I don't want to see you here. I'm not fear. I am like a son to you. To fear what?
It's okay.
It has been a hectic day. Chai, I need a massage. Massage and
only.
Oh no, not. Oh, do you want us to start publishing ourselves? The people, you know.
Your wish is my command.
To upstairs we must go. Yeah. No, I want you to move while I'll be watching. Hi, the morning sun.
Yes, Doc. I'm very sorry I didn't pick up your call because definitely my wife was close to me.
Okay. Yes. That's not a problem. So tell me,
how did it go?
Yes, we had a smooth operation, even though we had a little problem.
Problem? How is my mother-in-law doing?
Relax, she's doing very fine. It's just that we took the good kidney for business.
Good kidney. Did she have a bad one?
Not exactly, but with time, it will get bad. Maybe a few months from now.
How is she recovering?
She's doing very well. She's actually stronger than I thought.
Very well then. Dr. Chris, having done business with me for some time, you would understand that I do not appreciate my payments coming in late. So, I would want my payment to hit my account before I leave my office. I wouldn't want to discuss this kind of business with you when I get home.
Alright, it's fine by me. That won't be a problem.
Thank you very much.
What have I done? Why did you go for just change? Just change like that. How can comfort? Women. Me, comfort, me. Hey, what's all this? What would I do now? Comfort, please now.
What is it? Don't touch me.
Comfort, wait. Why are you doing this for? Why are you doing this to me now? What have I done to you? Why did you change like that? Comfort, see, remember we love each other now. Why are you doing this?
You and who? Do you have money? Why do you want to hurt an innocent man? Listen, don't even touch me again. Don't try it.
Comfort.
I am going to buy a drink now for my baby and I to drink. I will advise you leave this place.
Your baby. Comfort, your baby. Comfort, see. If you like, go. I'll wait here for you. Just go and come, and I'll do it with you. Go and come. Your baby.
You are still talking. You still have mouth. Okay, stay here. Let me come back. Just hold on. Let me go and come back. I will tell you. You still have mouth to talk. Hold on. Just stay there. Let me go and come back.
Comfort. Can you remark? What have I done? That. What will I do now? I think village is the next option. Go and come. I'm here. Matter, they make matter. No, sir, no get anything. How am I making mouth? What will I do now?
I have an assignment for you, but it's not going to be like the regular.
What do you want us to do, boss?
I want this one to look like a kidnap.
Consider it done.
I want this one smooth, suspicion-free, and swift.
Okay, boss.
This assignment will be done today.
Today?
Yes, today.
My installment is not.
4:30 p.m. today. You will make it look like you're coming for me and get whoever is in my car. For emphasis.
Okay, boss.
International in-law. Ogo, Ezuruonye. Ogo International. The international in-law. Hey, only you, now you. Without you, there's no me.
How are you?
How was work today?
Work was fine.
You're welcome.
Yes. Even though I had a couple of meetings today, but then, where's your sister?
Oh, she's not back from saloon. You know women. Once they enter saloon, bang,
They jam us. They will make hair. They will make us jump it on their hair. So that when they come back, you see a miracle. Hey.
The good news is your mother has been discharged.
Yes. Are you serious? Mama?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you too much.
It's good. It's good. But the truth of the matter is that I don't know who can get her off, the hospital right now because I'm quite tired. But not to worry, I'll pay for one more night for her. Let her stay.
No. Don't spend money when I'm here. And when you're now, I'm not serious. Watch a TV. I'm here. And you know I can drive. Have you forgotten when I used to drive your tuke? When you used to carry me your house, driving school, telling me how to open the boot. And all this thing. I can drive. Let me go and break my mind. We're here now.
Okay, but can you still find your way?
The hospital can't miss you. I don't know. I'll from road the place. Them key. Can you come? At least can in-law. If you don't have anything in this world, go and have rich in-law. If you have rich in-law, it's a go. Hey, I'm not going to open.
This is happening to me, yeah. What kind of life is this? What have I done to you? Baby, why this sudden change? My love, you are breaking my heart. You change, girl. You change, girl. You change, yeah.
Yes. Very well. All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
What are they saying? What did they say to you?
Yes, the police said they will get him alive. Okay? They will find him, it's not a problem. And if the kidnappers call me, I should be rest assured that they are in control, monitoring things.
Hey! God be gonna protect my son and bring him back to us. Because hey! Abiakwano Musiti.
Mama, relax. It's only money these people want. Relax. Relax.
Mama, it's okay. Where are you going, Mama?
Hey!
You need to call them. We need to know the next step. We need to know what they are doing.
It's not a
I'm just worried.
Don't be worried. Even my phone is being tracked. So relax. All they want is money. It's just money they want. And we'll give them the money. It's okay.
Mama, what are you doing?
You will not understand. I am not in good frame of mind.
Mama. What are you doing?
Stella, give me this.
Mama, stop.
alcohol.
Biko, once I sip it, I will calm down. Oh, please.
Alcohol will not calm you down, Mama. Moreover, you're on medication. Why would you want to take this?
Mona, chief. Alcohol can cool down. Hey!
Relax. They will only demand a ransom. You'll be back alive. Yes.
Hey. What is this? What is this? Stella, you're going to alcohol can more Biko no.
It's okay. Okay? Just calm down. Don't worry, sit.
Once I sip, just obela burachi.
Mama, you don't need to take alcohol. It's not good for you. Sit down.
Oh.
It's okay, Mama.
Hey, Okansibia City.
Mama.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You have been like this since morning. And you need to rest. This injection will knock you off. And you need to rest.
Don't touch me.
Now. Hope no be foul piece you put for him body. If say na knock out, be knock off. Now what you call him? No go die again.
Mama. Hey, Mama, what is wrong with you, Mama? Why are you doing this? You're in my husband's house, for goodness sake. You're embarrassing me.
Stella, old habits can never die. It's not like I started drinking today. But with this, Mona missing and everything.
And you think alcohol is the best solution to it?
The best solution.
Mama, stop. Don't do this. What do you think my husband would say if he comes back here? Mama, let me go and clean. Mama, stop! Mama, stop! Oh my God! Mama, stop!
What?
Mama!
What? No, what's the meaning of this? And she's still drinking? No, what is this? Oh, my Nigo Italian marble? Really? No, who is this person?
My mother is not feeling well and you're concerned about your marble?
So of all monkeys in the world, you chose this one to be your mother? Huh? Of all evil things, you chose this one?
I know.
Clean that nonsense up right now. Clean that up right now.
Okay, Mama.
You will not understand.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Why are you doing this?
I want my son back.
You just embarrassed me before my husband. Mama, stop now. Stop this. I don't like it. Stop this nonsense.
I'm not doing nonsense. Just give me the apparatus.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Just stand up, stand up! Go wash your hands.
hands with some antiseptic.
I already washed my hands.
You sure?
Yes, I did.
Bring the hand. Bring. You know what? Your mother cannot stay here any longer. Okay? She has to leave tomorrow morning.
Honey, why don't we just allow her stay here for some time? You know she just had a major operation recently. At least until she recovers fully.
Recovers? No, tell me, how will she recover? When she keeps drinking of alcohol, soaks herself in alcohol? If you ask me, she's okay, okay? Yes, she's okay to keep doing that, but she will not die in this house. Yo, she will not die in this house. That's my own, okay? So first thing tomorrow morning, she has to leave to her comfort zone, which is the village. She has to go. And that is final. No contesting. Am I understood?
Yes.
Same thing first thing tomorrow morning. I will preparations for her. Give you some money to give to her to go back to the village.
Alright, that's fine. Have you heard anything about Munachi's whereabouts?
Yeah, that the kidnappers haven't given us the third call like they promised, but not to worry. The police, they've assured me that everything will be okay. They'll bring him back alive, alright? And I trust their competence, okay? There's no problem to that. He will come back alive, alright? I'm praying for him, and whatever the, ransom they want, I will pay. No matter the amount they want for the ransom, I'll pay. Okay? So relax, be rest assured. Everything will be fine. Alright? Good. Very well. Please, your hands are still smelling. Go wash your hands in there.
Honey, I said I washed...
I said go wash your hands in there. Now. Strong antiseptic.
Sugar baby.
Yes, my baby.
There's something I want to tell you.
So what is it?
I noticed some changes in my body, so I decided to do some tests at home. And it came out positive.
Positive? What is positive?
Sugar baby, I am pregnant. Don't you like it? Why are you reacting that way? Are you not happy?
Well, no, I am happy. Congratulations. I'm happy about it. Yes.
Sugar baby, thank you. But from where I come from, it's a taboo to give birth outside wedlock. My family will disown me. You have to come and see my people.
Well, I don't think there is problem about that. I have money to train all my children, so I will see them if that will make you happy.
Yes, make me happy.
It's okay.
So because my in-law is rich, that's why they kidnapped me. I will make sure my in-law did not give them money. I will tell them not to give anybody money. Because my in-law wants to help my life. They kidnapped me when I was suffering in the village. They did not kidnap me. I shall see. I will make sure my in-law did not give them money.
Man, you have to relax. So. You have been kidnapped, you have been kidnapped. There's nothing you will do about it.
I will not take it. Never. Never. I will not take it. I will make sure my in-law did not give them money. No shishi for them. My in-law. Whatever you want, I keep your money. As for kidnappers, see you in court. See you in court.
You have to wait and relax first too.
I must sue them to court. Okay. For kidnapping a potential rich man like me. Because my in-law is rich. Rich in-law. It's alright.
Until when you come
they shoot me. They took me dagger. Eh? Why did they choke me dagger? Because my in-law refused to bring one. Did they choke you dagger?
Yes, no. That they are poisonous dagger. Those boys, they are very heartless.
No. They must see me in court. They must see me in court. Me, Monachi, they took dagger. I will fight. Let me get well.
Susan, this your habit is of course becoming a concern for me. Eh? I am beginning to get worried.
Now, Jimba, you do not need to worry yourself over me. I'm enjoying my life with life for Lagabia.
Call this one enjoyment.
My daughter is really enjoying, oh. Now I know I have a rich in-law. Okay, one. Okenwa is rich.
What I'm saying is, at this your age, you're not supposed to be drinking like this.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to...
You call this one enjoyment?
My husband died a poor man. May his soul rest in peace. Poverty is a crime. This world is in two categories. Do not pray, Ojimba. Never pray to be. To be poor. Huh? Poverty is the ability for a person to not get what he desires at any given time. I am getting what I want because I have a rich in-law. So don't bother.
Then you have to drink to stupor. Look at
Hey, I am not drinking to stupor. I am drinking to life.
So you call this one enjoyment now? See your enjoyment. See. Call this one enjoyment.
So how's my silly in-law do?
Like the others, he's healing gradually.
Unfortunately, I want him alive. So take care of him. Moving on. A client actually requires a specific body parts and is willing to pay heavily.
Boss, I'm in. As long as it's going to bring more money.
Good. Now this client who is willing to pay heavily wants a particular body part.
What does he want, boss?
What he wants actually is not for surgery, but for rituals.
Boss, it is not our line.
The heart of a child not older than 8 years.
A child? How much is he willing to pay?
25 million naira.
25 million. We are in, boss. How does he want it?
As soon as possible. And need I remind you, gentlemen, that Christmas is around the corner. We need to share this money and be happy.
Yeah, for 25 million. We're in, boss. Yes.
Who be that? Hold on. Hey!
I am back. I am back. Where am I?
Wait.
My enemies will not succeed. They did not succeed. I have succeeded. And I am back.
Hey!
Never. They will not arrest me. They continue firing me, no way. Look at me. Look at me. I am out from the Lion of Den.
What happened?
I was kidnapped. It was kidnappers that took me. That day, I said, let me go to hospital to bring Mama back. Bam. Here na on the gate here, I did not even go far. I think I war front. Say they say, drag me down. Move. 2 boys only. Boom. Whoa. If you have seen what happened that day, you will see that you see this your brother. I have strength. I fought them. If not because they were two boys, I would have dealt with them. It was like a wrestling. They carried me in their car. Boom. You thought they were watching war film. But I went there, I showed them. My brother-in-law would not give you people shishi. I refused to give them money. I refused to make call. Did I call you people? I did not call. I refused to call anybody because I know I'm not going to give them money. I don't know. You see this country? I don't know. There's no country again. No. There's no country again. Do you know they stabbed me?
Get away from there.
They took me dagger for me to call my in-law for you to bring. I said, I'm not giving you people any phone number. You will not call anybody. I fought them. Who are they? I said, is it because my in-law is rich? Or because I just settled with my in-law? Because of the money he's going to give me in future. They want to come and collect it. I said, oh man, walk. It should be my in-law that wanted to kidnap him. They took me before I'm not with you. I got to carry me. See, I went, I saw, and I conquered. Who are there to kidnap me?
Yes, you conquered.
Hey!
Let's
Choromuni, what they used to give there is not food. Those people. See, when I recover, I'm going after them. Then I will go use police to get them. Those 2 boys, hefty boys.
Monachi, it's okay, you're welcome. There's food, enough food for you.
Where is my in-law? We should do Thanksgiving.
He will soon be back.
We should do Thanksgiving.
We will do Thanksgiving.
Come and see war. You can come and see me fighting. You don't know Monachi. Come and see war. I show them that I have Jackie Chan gene in me. I have Jackie Chan gene. I show them.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's.
See, they continue firing me. No way. Say, who are they to kidnap me? Oh, because my in-law is rich. Who does that?
Let's go inside so that you can eat. I'm sure you're very hungry.
Hey. Go and announce it. I have succeeded. They continue firing me. No way.
It's okay.
All right.
What did you get? What kind of animal is this? I don't know who employed this animal.
But you said there's enough food.
Baboon. Mama, what is it? You sent for me.
It's nothing.
Nothing, and you are vomiting blood. You need to see the doctor.
I don't have to see the doctor.
Why?
Don't worry.
No, stop drinking it. Look at your condition. Yeah? Look at your condition and you are still drinking this.
But Amaka, you will not understand.
Understand what?
Once I sip this, it enables the vomiting. Calm down.
No, I won't give it to you. Look at your condition. No, you need to see the doctor, Mama. You need to see the doctor. Somebody should help me, Mama. Mama. Somebody should help me, Mama.
Well, I'm actually happy you're back. You know, I'm very elated that God has done His work. Because in reality, I mean, if anything would have happened to you and we didn't settle before time.
Exactly, but thank God that we settled. Eh? Thank God that we have settled. You're a good man. You're a good man.
Oh, thank God. You know, and again, you know, it's high time we start believing, you know, in the strength of the police force. Yes, because the DPO actually told me that they were very equipped to get you out alive.
Which police? Police, they did not do anything. Police did not do anything. They did not bring me out. So don't let them deceive you or collect your money or collect the glory of God. It was God that brought me out. Who told you that? So they did not do anything. No. Shishi, don't give them. Early morning like this, they say, all of you, come out. They put us in one car like that. They drove us to got to one junction. They say, Olongwa. That's how I came back. I traveled from that place to this house. Don't let police deceive you. They were not the one that released me. So they should not take the glory of God. It was God that brought me. Eh? If not that they shoot me dagger here, I would have killed 3 people there. Because I have lost strength.
Sorry.
The truth of the matter is that I have decided that you have to, you know, be a man. Be your own man, actually.
That's very true.
I decided to, you know, settle you. Yes, settle you so you can be a man of your family.
You want to settle me? Don't say this again.
I have actually decided to, you know, make you handle a business that circuits 20 million naira.
Did I hear you well? I did not hear what you said. Can you chant it?
It's a lie.
Of course.
Oh yeah, no, sir. Who is here? Come and hear good news. My in-law. Hell. You see why I said that it's good to have good, rich in-law. Thank you, God. Are you with us?
I'm with you, my
Hey! Hey, no what? So I'm not a 20 million naira man.
Oh, wow.
You see, thank God you are doing this thing after kidnapping, you know. Because I didn't know you did it. The way they were choking me in the opium. I said, I am not going to release my in-law's number or give you people money because I don't even have. You can imagine that you have given me 20 million, they kidnap me next month. The money will go. But thank you. Thank you. Hey! So this is good. I am not a millionaire.
It's okay.
See, let me tell you, I'm going to make you proud. I will make you proud. In next 6 months, I will buy 3 cars.
Don't use cars as a priority.
Hey! In another. So me, I will 20 million. Kidnappers in town. Come and kidnap me. If by the time I make money, they can't kidnap me. Once I will be carrying dagger. Before they will choke me, I will choke them. Nonsense people. See the brothers.
I think we have to call the children before we take our corpse to the mortuary. Abi? What an abomination.
I warned Susan. I warned her, but she wouldn't listen. Now look at it.
This is serious and wonderful. 2 deaths in 1 year. It is unheard of. Please, Ojimba, do you have the children's number? We have to hurry up and deposit the corpse to the mortuary as soon as possible.
You are correct.
Yes.
Why are you crying?
Papa is dead. My mother is gone.
Why is dead?
I thought you spoke to her today.
I don't know. They just called and they found her in her pool of blood this morning. I don't know how it happened. 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 No. Mama. Mama.
Yes, my people. That is how we see it. That is how we see it ourselves.
This is bad. Painful indeed.
Death. I mean, Mama, why would you go now? Now we have settled, huh? Why would you go?
This is bad. Now that I've made money, I can't even buy Mama car.
Ha! Munachi,
What did you just say? You have made money. And how? Ichi, are you asking me how? So you expect me to be like this all my life? Is it bad for me to make money? See, my in-law, both of us have settled. And he has given me 20 million for me to start life. Now I want to buy Mama big car. I can't even do it.
Did I hear you well, Munachi?
Ichi, you did. Ask my in-law.
Yes, yes, he's okay. He's been well settled. He needs to be his own man. But that's not the reason we're here. We're here to discuss how we are going to give Mama a befitting burial. I mean, bury her in grand style. Yes, that's why we're here.
I'm going to spend money. Ichi, people should make arrangements. I will spend money. I will spend money to bury Mama. Not less than 13 cows.
What's happened to him?
don't know. We were all together here all of a sudden. He slumped and died.
What? Oh. It is obvious this young man has not been taking his own drugs. Such a pity. He's responsible for his own death. And that should sound as a deterrent to you. If you don't take your drugs seriously, you will end up like this young man here.
Doctor, I will take my drugs.
My brother, this is painful. But wait though, your mother was healthy now.
My brother, what can a just man do? That is how we see it. But my happiness is that there is money now to bury her. If it was when we were suffering, when I have not reconciled with my in-law, I don't know what we are going to do. You know my father, during that time we sold the land to bury my father. But thank God there is money now.
You know, my happiness now is that you are now at peace with your in-law.
Exactly.
Look at you now. See how you see. Look at you. You even drive a car.
I don't just drive. I can drive any of his car. He has Wrangler. Do you know the car they call Wrangler?
Eh?
Yes, he's still Wrangler. Wrangler, he has it.
Hey.
And brown color, red color. I drive all his cars.
Hey.
The one I came back with the village now, he will leave it for me. See, let me tell you, my in-law settled me to 20 million. As I'm talking, yes now. As I'm talking to you now, I'm planning to bury my mother with 5 million. He said he's going to use 10 million. So 35 cows will come the burial.
Hi.
So what do we turn?
Hi.
What do we turn?
Did I hear you? 35 cows.
I'm over here. And we are not joking. I'm in money now.
Oh boy, this life, eh?
Because I'm going to use 5 million. My in-law will use 10 million. Instead of 50 million. And I go for wine.
Oh boy, don't hammer.
Whatever you turn.
You don't hammer.
Just get ready to eat me.
You don't hammer.
You will enjoy.
Hey.
But I told you that I don't want to go on the trip. I just want to be home.
Mr. Okenwa, you are under arrest for human trafficking and illegal selling of kidney.
What is going on here?
Stand up, my friend.
What is it? Stand up, my friend.
No, officer, you must be.
Stand up, my friend.
My husband is a businessman.
You have a right to remain silent. Anything you do will be used against you in the court of law. Move it!
What is this?
Move it! Move it!
Oh my God. It's okay, it's okay.
Move it!
You call my
Move it! Move it!
Officer, my
Relax,
husband is a businessman.
You know what you're doing?
Officer.
You don't understand what you're doing?
Officer,
Listen. I hope you know what you're doing.
Officer! Nah. Here is the witch. Tupia no Nombiko. Up here from this house. Beat her very well and push her out of this house. She does not belong here.
Lanya, listen up, baby. Where is the landlord of this house? Now, where is the landlord of this house, baby?
I don't know who you are, but the landlord is not around and I don't have time for anyone now.
Biante, just listen and listen very good. You better leave this house. Makandugyo, you will die, yo. Look, let me tell you, I am fully back. And this time around, I am back with my brother. So if you love your life, you better get out of this house. Akwinania, you don't know how I started with my husband. So you cannot come and take him away from you. It's a lie. It will not happen. He didn't know how I started with my husband. So,
I don't know what you're talking about, but he is married to me now. There is nothing you can do. Just beat it.
Are you crazy? You mad? Are you talking to my sister like that? Is my sister your mate? See, do you want to leave this compound now, or do you want me to throw you like a football, baby? You take a word now, from this compound, baby.
You cannot do anything. Try it. Try it and I will deal with it.
Do you want me to show you the next side of me? See, when I'm angry, I can be highly inflammable when I'm angry, baby. There is nothing
you can do.
I can't do anything, right?
There is nothing you
can do. Oh yeah, leave this compound.
Don't try it. Don't
leave here now.
Don't do it. I said, you never like this.
You want to come back because of this phone? This people want to come and take your phone.
Take your phone.
Come and take your.
I told you, my guy. I told you. I warned you categorically that fair, fine girls are evil. Any woman that is so beautiful is evil. I told you to avoid them. I don't have. That was why I didn't have time for women. I said, let me get money first. You were so busy following her up and down. I told you that comfort. Any woman they called comfort, she must always comfort. I told you to leave her. Now you see.
My brother, that girl broke my heart.
You were luck. You were luck. But you don't have to worry. Now that your guy have made money, I'm going to help you. You go back to the city, you pay your landlord, I will pay him, you collect your property. Then you follow me and we'll start business somewhere else. Then you can now stay with me and be doing business.
You are a great friend.
What can I do? Yes. That is what you used to tell me that time. Drink. Now you drink. I even added meat for you to show you how kind I can be. You got that? Next time if you see fine girls, you leave them. Drink and forget your sorrow.
This life.
Next time I will show you girls to follow.
Where is she? Delilah! Wait! Hey! Skido! When did you come back, my man?
So, in-law, so this is it, baby. So in fact, I cannot in this compound, baby.
Skido, you know me. I know the difference between acrimony and Odiasidian. So she left though. I did not touch her. The next thing she did, she just into the village. I don't know what happened.
Nah, he's lying, no. He's lying. I never left. He threw me out.
Will you shut up? I am talking to my in-law. Enough, Wala.
Honey, I said he was the one that threw me out of the house. He lifted me and threw me out of the house.
I said, shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
So, in-law, so because I have not been in town, so you now turn my sister to a punching bag, baby. See, listen, in-law. You see today, you see that you give my sister 20 million naira right now. When I mean right now, this minute, or I will kill you and kill myself.
Listen, let me tell you something. This is a... Shut up! slippers? Where you talking? Skito, let me tell you something. You see, this girl, she's a beast, a wild animal. This idiot connived with her boyfriend to blackmail me. And I told them that I'm smart. They thought they are smart. That is why I went to Otumoko and did something very powerful on her. Can we go see her now? I'm smart. It's also what I'm trying to let you know now is don't unleash anything yet. Let me go upstairs, bring the little thing I used to tie her, and release her, then she can go to hell. Chelo?
Baby, see, in-law, are you ready to give my sister the 20 million or? See, I no games, baby. Go get it, in-law.
Let me get it.
Have you seen yourself? Have you seen your life? Oh, you want to come and reap where you did not sow?
Do you see your life, baby? Do you forget it now? See, are you ready to leave this compound? Get talk on what now? To work a football,
baby. Are you still here?
Yeah. See, for real, no games, baby. I don't play games, baby. Oh yeah, leave. Now what?
In as I follow you now.
What?
You are going.
Just go and check whether you leave this place now. Leave. Oh yeah, leave. Leave. Mega.
What do we call this one? So Okewa was this evil?
You're telling me. And his excuse was that he did it because he loved me. I mean, how can...
What kind of stupid love was that? That he has the mind to sell your mother's kidney and that of your brother. And he's talking about love.
It was my kidney that I was eating.
Hi.
He sold my kidney and gave me the money. All this while he knew. And I was complaining of the chook me dagger. And he kept quiet. He's owing me balance, yo. He will balance me.
Anyway, my elders, I have decided to sell every property he has left.
Good.
I'm going to sell up everything and use the money to travel abroad.
Bam. We are sharing it because he will balance me.
Balance you?
He will balance me now. My kidney is out 20 million on my kidney. Madam, please. You have to go. Later we'll talk. Please. But
Muna, please, calm down. Let's hear her out. Let's hear her.
Uncle, are you saying we should hear her out? Do you know what her son did? Mama, I know you're a very good person. And you were nice to me the whole time I was married to your son. But what your son did is unthinkable. Your son took the life of my father, took the life of my mother, and almost took the life of my brother here.
Can you imagine?
And you're asking for forgiveness. How am I supposed to forgive that person? Or even live with him in the same house again?
If your son took my kidney and took that of my mother, if not that I'm rich, I would have died. Because I've been drinking. As I'm talking to you now, I'm talking to one kidney. You, Agadiwan, you are walking about with 2 kidneys. What are you doing with it? Your son should have taken your own.
Oh, please, my in-laws. What my son did was evil. But honestly, I cannot say what came over my son. My son wasn't like this. Stella, please. Because I'm not in support.
I don't know what you people want to do, but...
Go and prepare and start selling.
Your son did evil. In fact, it's better you go now. We'll call you back. As you can see, they're angry. There's nothing you will tell them now that they will listen. We'll call you back. Biko, I don't want anything to happen to you here.
Leave. Take your 2 kidneys and go.
I don't know how to say it again.
I don't know what you're
Tamper justice with mercy.
Tensions are high, madam. You can go. Please go. Go. With 1 kidney now, I can be angry and attack you. A man that has 1 kidney is an angry man. I can attack you. Either somebody should hold me. You see this scam, season it. Part of my balance.
Do whatever you want to do.
Anything I'm doing, I'm doing it. My balance. I can attack this woman with 1 kidney.
No. Like I said, you can go. We'll call you back when their anger is down.
No, I cannot go, please.
I wonder why you're doing this to me. You turn me to a slave. Please, my love, talk to me. Wonder, what is the problem? Why this hatred, even to my family? Why this anger, even to your wife? You claim to love me, show me the love. Where is the love? Go see me out. You claim to love me. Where is the love? Go see me out. Go see me for Nanyawa. You claim to love me. Where is the love? Go see me out. Go see me for Nanyawa. This is not love at all. This is wickedness. You are heartless. This is not love at all. This is wickedness. You are breaking. You are heartless. You change it.